Hi everyone, welcome aboard to our YouTube channel Fresher Platform Global, particularly BCom students, those who are pursuing and pass outs. And this is session 2 of Financial Accounting Expert Training. And this session deals with transactions, the definition of transaction and its understanding. And you can go through the advantages of this particular training. These are the points, and you can pause the video and you can go through it. The transactions occur first and then they are generalized and then they are accounted. For example, there is a purchase transaction. So the purchase transaction, the purchase invoice will come to us, and then that purchase invoice is recorded in our books of accounts. That is, the sales bill will be given by our vendor, and then we will record that particular purchase transaction in our books of accounts. That is how the transaction occur first and then they are journalized. That is, the second thing is we are recording in our books. And the third is, after that the accounting is automatically done, or they are being accounted. This is my observation. And the definition of transaction is like a piece of business done by people. It is the smallest definition which I have found. And the second specific definition is like transactions can be termed as a business activity or a personal activity. Even an individual person can do a transaction, or a business can do a transaction with another business. So business to business or business to person. So transaction can be termed as business activity or personal activity, which involves two businesses, okay, or a person. Involvement of two parties is important. Okay, and the third point is for the exchange of goods and services. Obviously, when two parties are involving for a transaction, obviously something will be exchanged, like whether it could be goods or whether it could be services. And the fourth point is in terms of money. The monetary terms, the conversion, what is the value of this particular transaction is important. So it is in terms of money. These are the four elements or the four dimensions, or the four perspectives or the four views or four angles or four layers of this particular definition. And after the transaction occurs, obviously they are recorded in the subsidiary books or the subsidiary journals or the journal, different journals. So this was something about the understanding of transaction and its definition. And thank you so much for watching this particular session, guys, and requesting you to like, share and subscribe our channel with near and dears. And our next session will deal with the kinds or types of transactions. Till then, have a wonderful day, guys.